Good morning, YouTube. Beautiful day out here at the Donner Farms. Just kind of my first video, so we're just gonna take a tour of the farm. You guys won't see a lot of action in this first video. It's just kind of showing the equipment, showing what kind of animals we have, the demons. Oh, yes. But later on, I'll start uploading videos of us doing hay. Probably a few of us checking cows. Maybe fixing on some equipment. Just never know what I'll really do. Over there we have our Krone disc mower. Very nice piece of equipment if you ask me. We've got the shop over here. Not really a shop, more of a garage type deal. I'm not too proud of myself. I broke off the baler wheel, but you'll get to see that today. There's one of our four-wheelers. My other brother's had work today, so he took the other one. That's my truck right there. Beat up son of a gun, 30 different colors. Right here we have our harrow cart, our box scraper, one of our goosenecks, and our disc, which we're hoping to get a bigger one because we need to do some bigger fields. Yep. Alright, now here's the good stuff. We have one other tractor that you'll see later. And here's a 535 John Deere baler. There's where the wheel came off. Yes. New Holland, our mower. Forgot the number on it. And Wayne Wick, this one goes out to you. John Deere 4230. My baby. Now Wayne, let me tell you, I love it, and I noticed that you like yours too, but that joystick, we got our joystick here, we've got our quad range, we got A through D, and then we got 1 through 4 here, and we got R1 reverse, and R2 reverse. Now, these just got small hydraulics, not much to it, and if you notice here, it's broke. If you can't see it, I know I can't very see it well even, but it's broken there because I guess it just broke one day, and we tried to fix it, but didn't fix it too well. So that's that. The old Allis Chalmers that does not run very well. Still don't know what's wrong with it. Think it's the alternator. We're not quite sure though. Got your simple controls. You've got your 3-point hitch over here, your throttle, clutch, brake, gear shift. Old tractor, let me tell you, my great-grandfather had this tractor, so I'm proud to have it today. So we'll get on over. Our Land Pride brush cutter, real nice. Now let me tell you, John Deere, this 535 baler, we did not buy brand new, but pretty damn close. It only baled 14 bales before we bought it. I don't even remember why the people, why they sold it to us. I don't remember. Our old rake. Now we have like I said before, we have another tractor and we have dual rakes. But right now we're just not gonna worry about it. Yep. Well, that's all there is right now. I hope to get this uploaded soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.